Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Dear friends, today we'll learn about color sentences. So let's read. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. The apple is red. The apple is red. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. My dress is pink. My dress is pink. The clouds is white. The clouds is white. The egg is brown. The egg is brown. The watermelon is green. The watermelon is green. My bag is blue. My bag is blue. My bag is blue. The eggplant is purple. The eggplant is purple. The carrot is orange. The carrot is orange. A ripe tomato is red. A ripe tomato is red. The gold is amber. The gold is amber. The crow is black. The crow is black. The traveling bird is olive. The traveling bird is olive in color. The dahlia flower is magenta. The dahlia flower is magenta. The banana is mustard color. The banana is mustard color. The orchid flower is navy blue. The orchid flower is navy blue. Dear friends, thanks for watching my video.